What's going on, guys? It's Greeny here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, guys, it's the age-old question: how to trade Solana meme coins. I'm giving you the ultimate tutorial in today's video: how I go about buying them, how I go about sniping them, how I go about selling them, and how I go about trading them. If you like my content, guys, please subscribe down below. Smash the like button as well, because it helps the channel grow and I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to check out my private alpha group, guys. We've been printing profits for over 6 months now, but I teach you how to become a smarter, better trader in this crypto market. So if you want to check that out, guys, here's a link as it shows you on the screen, which is in the description below, the wop.com link. Here's the video, guys. As always, guys, I'll start with a disclaimer. None of this information should be considered financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. All right, this is the ultimate tutorial, guys. You want to trade Solana meme coins. So many millionaires are being made every single day, and here's the ultimate tutorial for you on how I go about trading these meme coins. Now, obviously, I've released a whole range of videos, guys, on my channel. If you come to my channel here, Greeny_trades, all right, you can check out a range of different tutorials on specific niches. Take, for example, my latest Bull X video, which is honestly my favorite platform, and more about that very shortly, to trade Solana meme coins every single day. Sniping, okay. These two videos here, this is how I use my Pepe Boost, my favorite sniping bot, okay, at the moment to trade these Solana meme coins. And again, if you want to watch these videos, go and check them out, because they are niche tutorials on how to use those specific bots or those specific websites to trade these meme coins. But I'm going to take an overall view today, guys, and show you how to use all of the different sort of resources in the crypto space. Now, the best website, guys, has to be Dex Screener. So that's just dexscreener.com. This is my go-to, okay? I probably check this website more than anything else every single day. As you can see here, this is what it is like on the homepage. So we have all the trending meme coins, okay? We've seen a massive drop off in volume, and I'll show you that very shortly. And as you can see here, what is the most common chain that is being dropped every single minute? It's Solana, okay? So if you have a look here, guys, if I scroll down, there's one Trump. The Trump meme coin here on base is the one token in the top 35 that is outside Solana. So this is why Solana is so lucrative, because it allows the small wallets, okay, you can have $10 to trade these meme coins, you can have thousands of dollars to trade them, and Solana just allows you to get in and out, because there's enough volume, there's enough liquidity, and there's enough opportunities every single day. Base is a close follower as number 2, but for me, Solana remains number 1 and will probably dominate for the months to come. That's why it's so lucrative. Now, the main ways that I like to trade it is using a couple bots. Now, obviously, I've got Pepe Boost tutorials on my YouTube channel, so check them out, and you can sign up for the Pepe Boost bot in the description below. But essentially, Pepe Boost is my go-to sniping bot right now, okay? It's super easy, super clean to use, okay? You just paste in a contract down here, okay? You can set all your settings in, but again, I've got that in a video tutorial as well, so I'm not going to show you that again. But Pepe Boost is my go-to to snipe and to buy a lot of tokens when I'm on the fly on my phone. The other way to go about it, guys, is if you actually live at a computer, live at a laptop, okay, is Bull X. And again, I've got a referral down below. You get 10% off your fees if you join using that referral, and you get early access to an airdrop that is upcoming. So definitely check this out. Again, I released a new video just 3 days ago, this one here, okay, on a full tutorial on how that platform works. It is by far the best platform right now to be using to chart these early new meme coins, so definitely check out Bull X. Now, those are my two absolute go-tos, Pepe Boost and Bull X. However, if you're someone that doesn't like to use bots, even though I would highly suggest that you do check out these two bots, because it just makes it so much more seamless and so much easier to trade these meme coins. The best two DEXs, so in other words, decentralized exchanges to connect your Phantom wallet to swap these manually, would be Jupiter or Radium, okay? So those two can work, okay? And essentially you would just paste in the contract here again, okay, on Radium, and the same on Jupiter. You'd come here and you'd swap Solana for whichever contract. As you can see some of the top meme coins are there already. But for me, it just remains so much easier once you have set up your Pepe Boost and your Bull X wallets, okay, and their platforms, guys, because it makes it super easy to get into. Now, something to keep in mind, guys, when trading Solana meme coins. Now, I've started to take a step back because the macro just isn't quite suiting the market right now. But when it really does heat up, like we've seen over probably the last month or so, you can print so many gains. Now, the best way to go about that is to use DeFi Llama to check actually volatility and volume on chain. And as you can see here, we are in a bit of a decline, okay? So we come down, volume is starting to decline. So always keep an eye on that, because If the market doesn't allow you to get into these tokens where there's a lot of volume, there's a lot of liquidity, then often it's actually harder to find the good trades. So always take a step back, analyze the on-chain data to make sure that you're trading at the best time on these particular meme coins. Now, the best tools that I use to check the Solana meme coins and to make sure that they're nice and safe and to make sure they're nice and secure, that their contract isn't going to rug me, is these next couple websites. So the first one is obviously RugCheck. Really simple to use. It's just rugcheck.xyz. All right, you paste in the contract address of the meme coin and it'll shoot you out a beautiful page of whether it's safe, whether it's not safe. To run several other backups, guys, I use these other bots. So in my private alpha group, which you can, as I showed you before, sign up in the description below using the wop.com link, we use the Rick bot. Now, Rick bot is insane, guys, okay? I paste a contract here in my meme coin channel, okay? It shoots me out this beautiful little graphic here, okay, which gives me all of the data I need to know. So how old it is, the top 10 holders, okay? Is it a honeypot? No. Is it got any tax on it? No. Okay. Is it going to rug me? Okay, is the question that I'm asking. As you can see here, it also gives you all of the links. All right. So if you click on the DEX, it's going to open you straight to the DEX. So that's why I've got that in my alpha group, because it makes it so easy. Obviously, MOG is on ETH, but I'm just showing you as an example, and then I paste my chart underneath. That's the second one. So I use RugCheck. Then I obviously use the Rick bot here in the channel, in my Discord. The third one I use is Soul Scanner, guys. That's just Soul Scanner. This one here on Telegram, okay, it is insane. As you can see here, I put Myro in just before, and it gives you, again, a third type of understanding about this specific token to just make sure that you're getting into a specific token. Now, again, the other things that you like to consider is making sure that you use all three of these tokens before you actually get in. But why I use Dex Screener, guys, is because it just makes it so easy to chart these meme coins. Now, BullX, obviously, if we just go into some of these top ones, if I just choose it by market cap to show you why this one is really good, let me just muck around a little bit, but the filter here system is insane. That's why I love it. But if we go to just a random Solana meme coin, so we'll just go this one here. What I love about BullX is that it kind of does the same thing. Okay, this is obviously a pump and dump, so don't buy this, guys. I'm just showing you for the sake of this video. But as you can see here, it has a chart embedded into it. You can buy it so easily all in one place. That's what makes it better than Dex Screener. However, Dex Screener is just super clean to use because it has so many tools within it, right? So if I come back here, the chart here just is a lot cleaner, in my opinion, than BullX, but I still buy them on BullX or using Pepe Boost. But like I show you on my timeline on Twitter, I like to chart using Dex Screener because it is super clean like this. It has all my fib lines set up the way that I like to trade, and it has all this data over on the side. And what I really do enjoy is that it has the website, Twitter, and Telegram over on the side as well. So you can click on those and search all three just to make sure that this token has a nice social platform and therefore will likely continue a lot higher. I know that this one here does have that. So if we do come down to BullX, you can, this platform is insane, guys. Okay. Come down here, you can see this one only has 3 holders. So this is a big red flag. As you can see, top traders, you can see people that bought in early, okay, sniped it, or maybe the dev owns it all. This will show you your positions. And obviously if you trade in and out of this, but if we just go to, if I just show you a little bit more, so if we come here, go to the top token on Solana right now, it's going to be a lot different, right? So this is on the 1 second chart. Again, BullX is my second go-to for charting, guys, but as you can see here, we can see that this one pumped and dumped. It's holding steady at the moment. There's orders being set out. There's trades being taken, okay? 11,000 holders. Now, this is what I love about BullX, guys. It's super clean. Platform, it shows you the top holders. So again, you can use BullX as a fourth type of security or safety check, okay, when getting into these meme coins. Top traders, again, this is a really good platform because you can actually track some of these wallets that get in nice and early and potentially start to track them to see whether they are consistently making a lot of profit by getting into these meme coins nice and early. But BullX is my go-to, guys. But ultimately, guys, I use Pepe Boost to snipe it because I can use that when I'm on my phone, okay, which makes it super easy. Again, the description has all of these signups for both of these, okay, BullX in the description for 10% discounted fees, and obviously Pepe Boost for my favorite sniping wallet at the moment. Those would be my go-to, guys, to trade these Solana meme coins, to buy, to sell them, okay, and how I go about it every single day. But please, obviously, come back to my channel here. A lot of my latest videos are really useful on tutorials, but if you click on popular, you can also find some of the older stuff that is just as good, guys. Okay, it has BonkBot tutorials, which is still a very good bot to use. I'm just using Pepe Boost and using BullX at the end of the day. I've even got some over here that shows you how to find early meme coins, okay? Now, the beauty of BullX is that you can actually use new pairs over here and find them super early as well, so it allows you to snipe them very early as well. So definitely check out my channel, guys, because I have so much educational content on there. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions or if you have any feedback or any ideas that you'd like me to cover in future videos. Thanks. So there you have it, guys. That's my full tutorial on how you can trade, buy, sell, and snipe these Solana meme coins every single day. If you like my content, guys, please subscribe down below. Smash the like button as well because it helps me grow and I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to check out my private alpha group, guys. We've been printing profits, but I'll teach you to become a smarter trader in this crypto market. There's a sale going on right now, so check it out as it shows you here on the screen. As always, guys, take care and I'll see you in the next one.